Have you any idea how much radiation comes out of your microwave when it's running? So this is my microwave, and this is it switched off. This is the Cornet ED88T plus Electrosmog meter in RF mode with the sound on. So for this experiment, I have switched the Wi-Fi off on my router. My mobile phone is in airplane mode, so there's no Wi-Fi, there's no signal coming from anywhere much, just a bit of background, maybe from other routers in the area or something, but basically nothing, as you can see. So this meter reads in milliwatts per meter squared, and there's a maximum reading at the bottom, so we'll just reset that. Okay, so we have there's green and yellow and red LEDs, which is like good, medium and bad, and there's also a graph to show spikes. So this is the microwave oven, and inside is a mug with some water in it. So I'll just press the start button. I'll just do 30 seconds for a start. Oh, the other thing is, this kitchen is approximately 18 feet long by 15 feet wide, and I'll be moving away from this microwave to see how far the signals go. Okay, so here we go then. We'll just do 30 seconds for a start. Okay, well, there you can see it's giving out RF at about 2,450 megahertz. It's got a maximum reading at the bottom of 115.3 milliwatts per meter squared, but that's to be expected because we're right in front of the thing. So let's start it again now. As you can see, it's just stopped and the readings have dropped to virtually nothing. Right, let's reset this maximum again. Okay, right, we've reset the maximum. Now this time I'm going to put it on for 2 minutes, and I'm going to walk backwards through the kitchen. So remember, when I get to the door, I'm 18 foot one way and 15 foot the other way, so I'm going to be at least 20 feet away from it. Did I say meters? Feet. So the kitchen is approximately 18 feet long by 15 feet wide. Okay, and the door is at the opposite end and the opposite side of the kitchen, so I'll be at least 20 feet away from it when I go through the door. Okay, then I'll put it on for 2 minutes, right? Okay, so I'm now walking backwards. Excuse the mess in my kitchen, I'm a very untidy person. So we're now about 20 feet away from it, because, well, more, because I've gone 18 feet, it's over there, I've gone 18 feet that way and 15 feet this way. Okay, so now I'm going in the hall. So in the hall, well, it's not too bad. It's gone down into the amber Oh, there's a spike, but it's gone down into the amber range. There's nothing else in this house at the moment giving out Wi-Fi because I've switched it all off. So it's all the microwave oven. So I'm in the hall now. So I'm quite a distance from the kitchen door, and it is reasonable here. It's giving the occasional kick in amber, but as you can see, the maximum reading I got was 145 milliwatts per meter squared, and I think you have to worry if you get above 1 milliwatt per meter squared. But obviously the microwave is not on all the time. It's not like smart meters, which are probably less powerful, but they're on all the time. Same with your Wi-Fi router. Now it's just, the microwave's just switched off. You heard it beep, and now it's just picking up a little bit from somewhere. I don't know where that sort of ticking noise is coming from, but it's probably nothing in this house. It's probably a bit coming in from outside. Okay, so certainly don't stand within 15 feet of your microwave when it's on, and preferably get at least 20 feet away from it. Okay, that's all for this. As I say, it's a test in RF mode with a Cornet ED88T plus Electrosmog meter. This is a tri-field meter. It can measure RF, it can measure EMF, and it can measure ELF. But for this video, we're just literally measuring RF. Okay, thanks, bye.